mysterious Bigfoot from Pine Ridge. In the quaint, secluded town of Pine Ridge, surrounded by dense forests and undulating hills, legends whispered of a shadowy figure that roamed the woods, a mysterious giant known as Bigfoot. To the locals, this tale was a blend of myth and eerie truth, especially for those like old Mr. Jenkins, who often recounted his fleeting encounters with a tone of solemn certainty. Among the townsfolk were 4 friends: Alex, Jamie, Taylor, and Casey, each with a spirit of adventure and a yearning for the unknown. The legends of Bigfoot had always fascinated them, and they decided to delve into the mystery themselves. Their destination was Whispering Pines, a particularly dense part of the forest